Caption tag genuinely provides a real title for an entire table, announced by screen readers before the actual table content. In this video you'll add a real table caption. Caption genuinely must be the real first child inside table. It provides the actual overall title for the whole table. This real table content genuinely follows the caption. Screen readers genuinely announce the caption before reading actual table data. Caption tag genuinely must be the first child inside table tag. It genuinely provides the real overall title for the whole table. Screen readers genuinely announce it before reading actual table content. Add a real caption to a table you built in an earlier exercise. Ready to put everything from this series together into one real recipe blog page.